In this video, I'm going to show you bank reconciliation. There are a few ways to do this. Firstly, from the front dashboard, if you go to the top right hand side, you'll see a button here with a little arrow. If you click on here, that will take you through to Reconcile Bank, and that will take you through to the reconciliation page. Secondly, on the dashboard, if you go to your financial overview, you'll see a full list of your bank accounts. If you click on the tick icon, that will take you through to the reconciliation screen. The last way is if you click into the bank module on the left hand side. If you go to the right hand side next to each bank account, you will see you'll have a section here for reconciliation. All you need to do is choose a relevant account and then click on the Reconcile button. Once you've done that, that will take you through to the reconciliation screen. On here you will see your start date and the end date for the reconciliation, and all you need to do is type in the statement end balance. So ours is £259 and 5p. I'm going to click that in and then just hit the start button. Now once you've done this, we'll see a few things. Firstly, you can see your running balance, you can see how much is left to clear, you can see the start date and end date, and also your start balance and target balance. On the right hand side you can see the total of ticked icons. As you can see, my reconciliation is automatically ticked. So my left to clear amount is actually 0, and I can actually move forward and save and reconcile. The reason why that is ticked already is we can see from these cogged that transaction has been matched through from my bank feed. So as in it's been matched from the bank feed and it's replicating my bank statement, I've put in my bank statement balance, so it should match and should be correct as long as you haven't put in any manual transactions. If you haven't used bank feeds, then all of these items will be unticked and they'll all be white, and all you would do is go through your bank statement and just click on each button to match them off. And you can see that your left to clear amount, running balance and total ticked, all these are changing. And all we need to do is make sure that when we tick them all, our left to clear amount is going to be 0, and until that gets to 0 you can't save and reconcile. You'll see if I untick an icon, a little pencil icon comes on the right hand side, which basically means you can edit that transaction if you need to. If you click on that, it will open up a new window and will drill down straight to that transaction within the bank area. You can then click into that transaction and then you can make any amendments to it, and then if you hit update after any changes, you can just close down that window. It will go back through to your reconciliation, and then at the top you'll see you've got a little refresh button. You can click refresh and that will bring through any changes you've made, and then you can just tick it back up again and reconcile. Once you're happy that everything's correct, the left to clear amount is 0, you can just hit the save and reconcile and that will reconcile your bank. If you need to edit the details, you can edit the details to the reconciliation here, and also you can put it on hold. So if you want to save all the work that you've done and come back into it, just click on hold and you can come back and make any amendments. Bearing in mind mine all matches and my left to clear amount is 0, I'm just going to save and reconcile, and a little notice has popped up saying my account is now reconciled, and it's locked those transactions down for me to prevent me from editing them, and we can see the reconciliation's been completed. And when you go to your bank area, you'll see a little lock icon next to the bank account which shows that it has been reconciled. And that's how easy it is to reconcile your bank within the software.